Hey guys, it's Greg with Elite Roofing and Gutters. Today I want to talk to you about Master Elite certification and what it means for you as a homeowner and how it could protect your property working with the proper Master Elite contractor. Did you know that only about 2% of roofing contractors in the country qualify for this certification? That's because GAF holds a high standard for the highest standards in the industry. So what does it mean to be Master Elite certified? First off, we have to be properly licensed and insured. That means when you hire us, you're protected. No shady business, just peace of mind. We have a working relationship with the shingle manufacturer. That means we're installing to their standards and that we're choosing them as one of the highest quality manufacturers in the industry. Secondly, GAF Master Elite Contractors are the only roofers who can offer the Golden Pledge warranty. Now this allows us to install a roof on your property that could extend up to 50 years full coverage for labor and materials, not your typical limited lifetime warranty. It's a great upgrade to your home, adds value and sense of mind of protection. So how do we keep this certification? GAF requires us to go through continuous training to make sure that we stay up to date to the latest installation techniques and guides. That means they trust us to install their roof to their standard, and we're standing behind their product just like they're standing with us. So what does that mean for you? It means that if you choose Elite Roofing and Gutters, you're getting top tier quality, backed by the best warranties in the business, and a roofing team that's backed by the biggest name in the industry. If you're looking for a roof that's built to last, give us a call today. Let's get your home protected the right way. Your roof deserves experience, not experiments.